Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing an unbagging of June's IPSY bag. I have no idea what is in my bag this month. I have not opened up my package at all. I have no clue what is inside, so your guess is as good as mine as to what is in my bag. I figured I would sit down, open this with you guys on camera, and we can go over the contents. I'm hoping that I haven't really tried anything that has been sent to me this month, so we will see. But as always, with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this fresh IPSY bag. I love the bright pink bubble wrap. I think that is so cute. Oh, and this is actually a really cute bag this month. To be totally honest with you guys, I haven't been super impressed with the IPSY makeup bags, but I actually really like this one. I like the material that it's made out of. It's kind of like a faux leather, and the little zipper is like a little tiny heart. I don't know if you guys can see that there. That is really cute. So let's go ahead and unzip it and see what we've got. So the first thing is the card. It says Flying Colors. That is what the theme is for this month. I'm assuming because of Pride Month. As you can see, the rainbow kind of just goes in to kind of all this stuff about pride and confidence and rights for the LGBTQ plus community. So that's kind of cool that they have done that. The first thing that I see as far as an item inside my bag is an Ofra blush. Let's take a look inside here. This looks like it's a full-size blush, which is really cool. I'll take that. And I do have a Z palette I can put this in. Let's see what shade I've got here. And it doesn't really say a shade name. Let's swatch the color here. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that. And it's pretty smooth. Just a very kind of rosy blush shade. Is what it looks like there. I could use it. I like it. I love a full-size product. So, oh, Blush Melon. I think that's what it's called. I do have an Ofra blush that I got inside of a BoxyCharm, and I really like the formula, so that's cool. Let's see, what is this from Pacifica? It says Tomboy Vibe Mineral Eyeshadows, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So let's open that up. Get some information on that. It says here, Tomboy, 1970, pretty vacant, schooled, and rebel. So that must be the color of the shades inside this. And it's sealed up pretty good. I don't really want to ruin the packaging, but it looks like I'm going to have to because, and it's stuck to the other side. Oh my God, seriously, the packaging on this. There we go. All right, so this is actually really cute. This almost looks like it could pass for like a little full-size travel palette or something like that. That's really cute. Awesome. And I like that it's made with like clean ingredients. I haven't really tried much from Pacifica before. There is what the shadows on the inside look like. Let's just go ahead and do some swatches. So they seem to be all metallics with the exception of the green shade. And they seem pretty buttery smooth. Let's just see what they look like. The green matte actually, and then this shade here is impressive. This one isn't so bad, but that one, we'll see. Oh, and that's a matte shade too. But the mattes seem to be pretty good, and I really actually like these shades. These are really cute. I'm actually really impressed that this is in the box, so can't wait to try that one out. That is cool. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, a sample of the Professional Pore Primer. I tried this a long time ago. I want to say almost 2 years ago. I didn't really know if I liked it or not, so I'm kind of glad that I got another sample of it to give it another try. I know that so many people love this primer. Just try a little bit on the back of my hand. I've heard a lot of people say it's very dimethicone-y. That's the ingredient that makes it very slippy and will hide the pores. Ooh, that pills up. So you kind of got to be careful with it, but it does look blurring and I like the way it feels. I don't know how good it is for dry skin. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried Professional on your dry skin before. What else? We have 2 more items here. We've got a Jersey Shore Cosmetics Juicy Strawberry Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. Wow, so this is all natural, non-GMO. You guys know I am a huge fan of that. There's like 7 ingredients in this. Sunflower oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, coconut oil, strawberry flavor, and vitamin E. Let's see what this smells like. That smells so good. Yum, like fresh picked strawberries. That is incredible. So I can't wait to play with this and try this out as well. If I didn't have lipstick on, I would put this on. That is super cool. I love lip balms. Love lip balms. And last but not least, we've got Cake Deserted Island Totally to Die For Supreme Body Mousse. Let's see what this smells like. It smells kind of powdery, but like it's trying to be sweet at the same time. Picture like that background scent of Victoria's Secret Heavenly, like that kind of like powdery scent, if that's making sense. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but then sweet at the same time. Let's see what it feels like on the skin. So it feels pretty good, actually. It's just like a body mousse, like a body lotion, nothing that's blowing me away. But it says it's got coconut oil, mango butter, aloe vera oil, macadamia nut oil, and sunflower seed oil. And again, no GMOs, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, petroleum, or triclosan. So that actually does make it a little bit more special. This doesn't feel like it's like for super dry skin, but I like the ingredients in it. It also says it is, well, I don't know if I mentioned this, but cruelty-free and vegan, and it was actually created and made in Canada. Again, this is Cake Beauty Deserted Island Totally to Die For Supreme Body Mousse, and you get 1 fluid ounce in this. So that is it. So that is what I got in my June IPSY bag. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got. Did you love what you got in your bag? I have to say they were pretty spot on. I like that they tried to send me a good mix of more natural clean makeup. I think I pretty much indicated that I was interested in that in my survey that I took when I signed up. I love that I got the full size Ofra blush, and I think this is really cool that they put this in here. So let me know if you got a palette in here as well. I don't know if everyone got like the same colors or the same little mini palette, or if people got other shades. So let me know as well if you got some variation of this. But I do have to say I'm pretty impressed with this month's bag, and I think I'm gonna keep IPSY up for a while. I know I mentioned that in one of my last videos. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep trying IPSY, but I feel like if I keep reviewing the products, and that's what I'm told, that the items will only get better and better. So yes, that is that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it, and of course be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!